machine.
Alright, today we're gonna do a drawing of Super Mario. Super Mario! Alright, so let's start with the basic shapes. So draw really lightly with your pencil. Very lightly. I'll draw a little darker so you can see, but you want to draw lighter than me, okay? Just gonna draw a face, okay? Oopsies. His face. His ears. Whoopsie. Up. Ears. And then his nose is about right here. And then his mustache. Right there. His mouth. There we go. His eyes. So I'm just kind of deciding where this is gonna be, okay? So, cause later, look, we still have to add his hair. There's his hair. His hair right here. Hair right here. So notice his face is actually kind of like whoop down here. And like that. Let's make it a little bit more rounded off here. And his ear. So it'll take some practice to get the ratio right. Now I'm gonna across, just make a big curve line across the top. There we go. And his hat. So there's like this little curve point right about there. And then this oval shape. And the M. Let's make his nose bigger. Now we're gonna start putting more of those details in. So his mustache is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then his chin. Like that. Eyes. So look, these circles go round. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Nose. Ears. Okay. Now next part we're gonna use a black marker. And we're gonna put the black lines in. Okay. So be very careful because you cannot erase this after you put it in. So first I'm going to trace the face. There we go. Oh, my hand's feeling a little shaky today. So look, when I'm tracing it, I sometimes don't follow the lines exactly because I feel, oh, maybe I should do it. I feel the shape should be a little bit, you can still modify the shape as you're doing it right now. So look, I feel the hat should be a little bit less wide. So now I'm gonna start from here. I'm gonna go all the way up over here. Actually, this is my first time doing Mario. A little bit nervous, but you know what? I'll do it again another time and keep practicing. but we keep the basic skills. You always want to go slowly. Work with the basic shapes. And there we go. Okay. Now we're going to take our eraser. If I can find one. I will use this. There we go. I feel like I'm a dentist. Let's bring in some colors. You know what? I think I should have made his face a little thinner. But, you know, too late now. So next, we're going to color it, but we're not just going to color it like, brah. We're going to add shading in layers. So just hold on. Okay, now I have a nice skin tone color, and here's what I'm gonna do. So the light is coming from, let's pretend the light's coming from this side. So we're gonna keep this side, this half lighter, and this half darker. So that's the basic idea for now. Get a very nice thin layer. Now we have his face down. I'm gonna add a little bit of like a maybe a darker brown. It's always good to test out your colors. Test out your colors over here before you put on. So I should have tested this out before. So I need a light brown. Test. Okay, I'm gonna put a very light layer of brown for this side. So it's like a darker shading over here. Under the mustache, under the hat, this side's darker, right? So I'm gonna add a little bit of a lighter brown on top, and his nose will be darker over here and over here too. Okay, notice it's a little bit, there's a little dark spot here. That's because I didn't erase it very well. Let's add a little bit of, so look, I'm shading this. Again, really shading his face over here. There. Maybe let's put a little bit of dark shading right here. That's eyes. Let's just quickly do his eyes. I'm gonna use light blue right here. I'm not gonna do any shading right here. I'm just gonna get that direct color, solid color in there. He looks kind of scary like that, hey? For the black, I am going to use just a black marker. You see him really come out when the eyes are done. Wow, see? You really see Mario really pop out. And next, let's, what do you want to do? You want to do his hair? Let's do his hat. So I want to get a gray, red. Okay, I'm going to just go gently. This side's going to be lighter. I'm going to put a nice layer on top. Notice I'm coloring at an angle. Just want a nice thin red layer. I'll put more red in later. But you want that thin layer on top first. Now I know this side's going to be a lot darker, so I'm going to start with, you know, adding that red. Now we're going to put more pressure on and start coloring. There we go. Let's add a little bit more red here now. Okay, let's keep it like this. I mean, you could add way more red later. Oh, ooh, hey, look, what's this? I'm gonna use, here, let me use this one. This really dark red. It's like a darker red. And it's gonna add way more shadow contrast. So this is gonna look way darker on this side. And over here too. Be careful with this one. If you get too dark, there's no return. Okay, let's keep it like that for now. Let's do his hair. There we go. I think it's that brown. Ugh. Maybe it's like a darker brown. No, this one's a little bit too dark. So something like this, you could kind of mix it. There we go. Right here, you want to add a nice layer of this brown. And then you're going to add a layer of this brown. There, now we are done. Wait, this looks like an old Mario because his mustache is all white. Okay, let's fix that, okay? Let's just use a black marker to color that in, okay? So let me find my black marker. I'm gonna quickly color this in. Oh, he's looking younger now. Oh, there we go. And up here, let's do his eyebrows. Okay, if I was to do this again, I'd make his face a little bit fatter. He looks too thin here. We need to give him more food. He needs to eat more mushrooms. And you know what? You could always add more color and detail to it. So here I'm gonna just add a little bit more shadow. I want to make it pop a little bit more. You can always, I think I would probably add more color to the hat here too. There, how's that look? There, Mario. He looks kind of young because he's a lot thinner. All right, hope you had fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep on practicing. Bye-bye.